We are looking downstream on Floyd's Fork from Shelbyville Road. We're about a third of a mile, maybe a little bit more, upstream of the Miles Park put-in. It is one big pool from there all the way to here. On our left-hand side is one of the bridge abutments. You can see the other one on the right-hand side. As we rotate back, here is the second bridge abutment, Old Bridge. Then we have the old road that is up on Shelbyville Road. Then right beyond that is the brand new bridge. I am making the suggestion that we explore the feasibility of establishing this as a canoe landing that would be upstream of the normal route. What it would do is it would provide an opportunity for when it's very low water like now to have a destination, but also it would be sort of a whole historical piece. Most of the land, from my understanding, is Department of Transportation right-of-way, so maybe land issue would not be a point. So that's my 2 cents.